Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click that subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I make my Nigerian fresh turkey stew. Stay tuned.
Ha-ho! Atubrugu, it's down to peep on the beat, huh?
So first of all, you need a fresh turkey, and this is my fresh turkey wings, and I am going to cut this turkey into 3 pieces because my children find it very tormenting to eat that big turkey piece. So I am cutting it into 3 pieces and I am putting it inside the pot. So now I am done cutting the turkey and I am adding my seasoning. I have just added curry and I am adding thyme. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'm adding 3 Maggi cube inside it. You can also use any cube of your choice. There's no problem there. And I am still adding that. I'm now adding a white sliced onions, and I am going to grind my garlic with salt. So I'm now grinding my garlic with salt. So now I am done grinding my garlic and salt, and I'm adding it inside the pot, and I'm going to just add a tiny bit of water. You don't need to add too much water in this meat. So now my turkey is on the stove and I'm going to cook it properly for around 20 minutes. I'm going to cover it up and cook it for 20 minutes. So now my turkey is ready and it is out of the stove, and these are the ingredients that I'm using to cook this stew. If you haven't watched the video how I prepare my tomato paste, go watch it because that is how I prepare that tomato paste for this stew. And now I am going to start cooking my stew. I have added oil inside the pot and I have added onions inside the pot, and I'm going to fry these onions properly to get soft a little bit before I add in my tomato paste. So now I'm adding the tomato paste, and like I said, I didn't show how I made this tomato paste in this video because I made a video already on how to prepare your tomato paste for your jollof rice, your Nigerian stew. So I'll leave the link somewhere for you to check it out. So now I am frying my tomato, and basically I'm going to fry this tomato until all the water in this tomato has dried out. So I'll keep frying it for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on when my tomato has completely fried out. So now you can see the difference from when I added it, when I added the tomato, and now you can see that the tomato is already getting dry, and then you can see the oil in the tomato. Once you start seeing your oil coming out of your tomato, then your tomato is getting ready. So now I'm adding my seasoning. I've added the thyme, the curry, and the Maggi inside my tomato, and I'm going to fry it a bit more. So I'm adding my fresh turkey now, and I'm going to turn it properly and cook it for a bit more as well. I'm adding my chili. I grounded the chili and then I'm adding it in. It is now time to add my sauce that I got out of the turkey. So I just added that now, and I'm going to add a little bit of water. Again, I don't want the sauce to be too liquid, but I don't want it to be too thick either, so I just want it to be in between. So now my stew is almost ready. I am going to at least cook it for another 10 minutes and let all the ingredients cook together, and then your stew is ready. So I am going to off the stove now because I am happy with the way my stew looks. It has cooked completely, and now my stew has cooled down. You can see that it has cooled down, and I'm going to dish it out in the plate. So this is my rice and my turkey, fresh turkey stew. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and thank you for stopping by to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.